When the power goes out and your phone signal drops, reliable information becomes just as important as food and water. A good emergency radio keeps you connected to weather alerts, news updates, and local instructions, often with built-in lighting and backup charging. In this video, to the best emergency radios, you'll learn which features matter most, so you can stay prepared and calm. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website, consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. RunningSnail Emergency Hand Crank Radio. Our find for best budget emergency radio. If you want an affordable emergency radio that covers the essentials without taking up much space, the RunningSnail Emergency Hand Crank Radio is a practical choice for both home kits and outdoor bags. It's built to help you stay informed during storms, wildfires, or power outages by delivering weather updates and alerts so you can react early instead of guessing what's happening outside. You also get a built-in 2000 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery that doubles as an emergency power bank. When your phone battery is dropping and outlets aren't available, you can plug in most USB-powered devices for enough backup power to make important calls, contact family, or reach emergency services when it matters. To keep the radio running in longer outages, it gives you 3 power options: a hand crank for on-demand charging, a solar panel for slow top-ups in daylight, and the internal rechargeable battery for day-to-day use. The solar input is best treated as a backup maintenance source rather than your main charging method, which helps you plan realistically and avoid surprises. Portability is a big advantage here. The compact size and light weight make it easy to stash in a drawer, backpack, or glove box. And when the lights go out, the 1-watt LED flashlight provides quick visibility for moving safely, checking supplies, or finding what you need in the dark. Number 4. Eoxsmile Emergency Weather Radio. Our find for best versatile emergency radio. If you want one emergency radio that does more than just play stations, the Eoxsmile Emergency Weather Radio is designed to keep you informed, powered, and able to see in the dark when conditions turn unpredictable. Its National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration weather alert function is built around preparedness. You can select the weather band and tune in to one of 7 preset channels for your local forecast. When the National Weather Service issues a severe weather warning, the radio triggers a loud SOS alarm with a flashing red light, helping you catch alerts quickly, even if you're asleep. Beyond weather, you get broad listening options for daily use and emergencies. It covers AM, FM, and shortwave, so you can follow local news, sports, and emergency updates, or tune into overseas broadcasts when available. Lighting is another strong advantage. You get a 3-watt LED flashlight for long, focused visibility, and a flip-up solar panel reading lamp with adjustable brightness, useful for lighting a room, tent, or campsite without draining your phone battery. When your phone is running low, the built-in USB output lets you charge devices for essential calls and texts. It also includes outdoor-friendly extras like a compass and hand strap, making it a versatile tool for camping, hiking, survival kits, and blackout readiness. Still searching for the perfect emergency radio? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Kaito KA500 Voyager. Our find for best durable emergency radio. If you want an emergency radio that's built to take rough handling and still work when conditions aren't ideal, the Kaito KA500 Voyager is designed for dependable, everyday preparedness. It's portable enough to keep in your home, office, car, or go bag, and durable enough to bring along for camping and outdoor trips where gear gets bumped, dropped, or exposed to the elements. One of its most useful features is the built-in USB output, which lets you use the radio as an emergency charger for small devices. When your phone battery is running low during an outage, you can top it up for essential calls, navigation, or updates. For tuning and reception, the KA500 includes a telescopic antenna that extends up to 14.5 inches, helping you pull in AM and FM signals more clearly, especially in areas where reception is weak. An LED signal strength indicator and advanced circuitry help you fine-tune stations quickly, and the built-in speaker delivers loud, clear audio, so you can actually hear alerts and broadcasts without straining. Durability is a key reason people choose it. The radio is made from premium, impact-resistant, water-resistant, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, so you can use it confidently indoors or outdoors, whether you're dealing with bad weather, a blackout, or just want a reliable radio that won't feel fragile in your emergency kit. Number 2. Eton Scorpion 2 are fine for best lightweight emergency radio. If you want a lightweight emergency radio that's easy to store, easy to carry, and ready when conditions change fast, the Eton Scorpion 2 is built for exactly that. It's compact enough to keep in a home safety kit, car, or backpack, so you can bring reliable communication on road trips, camping weekends, or during power outages. The Scorpion 2 keeps you prepared with multiple essentials in one small device. The crank-powered handle lets you generate power on demand when outlets aren't available, helping you stay informed even in extended emergencies. You also get a built-in LED flashlight for quick visibility in the dark, useful for checking supplies, moving safely, or finding your way during a blackout. For staying updated, the radio supports FM and weather bands, and the high-quality digital tuner helps you lock onto stations clearly and quickly. That means you can access local news, weather alerts, and emergency broadcasts without constant retuning. What makes the Scorpion 2 especially practical is how versatile it is across different situations. Whether you're at home, in the office, on the road, or outdoors, it's designed to keep you connected and aware, so you can make better decisions, react sooner, and feel more in control when power, service, or conditions become unpredictable. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Midland ER310 are fine for best emergency radio overall. If you want an emergency radio you can rely on when the power goes out or storms roll in, the Midland ER310 is built to keep you informed and prepared. It's designed around redundancy, so you're not depending on a single charging method when you need it most. You get 3 sustainable ways to recharge: a solar panel for topping up the internal battery with direct sunlight, a hand crank for generating power during outages, and a built-in rechargeable 2600 mAh lithium battery that can deliver up to 32 hours of radio operation. For even more backup, you can also run it on 6 AA batteries, which is useful if you want a stored power option in your emergency kit. Lighting is covered too. The bright Cree LED flashlight puts out up to 130 lumens, giving you practical light for moving around safely, checking supplies, or working hands-free nearby. When battery life matters, you can switch to a lower brightness mode to conserve power. In urgent situations, the SOS flashlight beacon flashes a Morse code signal to help you get attention. For weather awareness, the ER310 supports National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Weather Scan, which automatically searches the 7 weather band channels and locks onto the strongest signal, so you can get updates quickly. You also have AM/FM radio for local news, updates, and information when it counts. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which emergency radio you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next video.